We gotta hurry today. We're losing our lift. Maybe multiple projects to do. Let's get started. Yeah, that's right. You know, I knew I had some projects that I wanted to do with this lift, but when they called me and said they were coming to get it, all of a sudden I started adding up the number of projects, and some of them are pretty hard to do with a ladder, like this one. Oh my, we got to get busy. Buzz me up a little bit.
That's it.
That's all we got? Okay, you think we can handle it from here?
Yep.
Okay, I haven't totally cut it loose yet. Yeah, they are selling more lifts than they can make. And they called me desperately saying, we need this lift. Well, I kind of wanted it too.
You can get your lift at skid-lift.com, and you can mention Tractor Time with Tim or TTWT for a discount. Unfortunately, as this video is airing, there is a 3 to 4 month backlog.
Reset.
I think so. I don't always set the parking brake, but I do here.
That's right, the backlog is deep, and well, they're looking for used ones and they can't find any, so they came and got ours. Turns out they arrived just a few hours after this project, so the rest of my projects,
what do you think?
No luck. I honestly had no idea how useful this product would be around our property, but in the year we've had it, I began to depend on it.
I think what we do now, Tim, get my strap, and I think I'm gonna get rid of that one there.
I think we can back up one more time if you want and cut it right here from the lift, don't you?
Yeah, probably.
We got a pretty good look. We got good access, seemed to me like.
Yep.
On this side.
Yep.
Okay, I can stand here and talk, or I can let us down. It's shady in here. It's really hot in the sun today.
Humid.
At least for me, I'm kind of softy. Remember, I can hardly pick this up with the 2R. It's a lot more effective if you get close. You got much further reach. It's probably the disadvantage of this thing is there's no reaching out.
You want to knock some of these little ones off?
Oh yeah. Ready?
Yep. There's no way I could have done this with a ladder. No way.
No. I don't think there's any way. I could imagine us in a loader bucket trying to do it. And with our size tractors, I don't think that would have been very good either.
Right.
Nice to have a sharp chain.
I'm still amazed how powerful these things are.
Yeah.
Are we as high as we can go?
I don't know.
Yep. There we go.
There we go. If we had just 4 or 6 feet of outreach, Rex, we'd have really something with this lift.
Yep. It's still a lot better than what I got.
This is like a dream world.
Christy, did you get a shot from the other side of this tree? Because you can see a lot more of what's going on.
Well, we get this log down, you'll be able to see in there.
Yeah.
About 11 of your 12 inches right there. I'm going to see how high we can get just for reference. Could we get to that far out limb out there and work on it? If we could, that would be nice.
Yeah.
Let's see, we're about 2 foot higher, I would say, on the ground. We can get out to it, can't we?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
We'll have to redo those rear feet again.
Yep.
Like everything else, the skid steer version goes taller.
Jealousy.
Yeah, I guess I have a skid steer envy, I don't know. No, we're not gonna do a skid steer. Hit me, Rex. Or do you wanna get, yeah, go up a little bit. Is that all we got height-wise?
I don't know.
We're probably getting close. Ah, yeah.
We occasionally get comments about wearing a harness. We checked into this. In fact, we actually bought some harnesses, but it turns out with these scissor type lifts that go straight up only, harnesses are not required by OSHA. Boom lifts with the long extendable boom do require harnesses, and the rules make sense in both cases. With a boom lift, there's a chance of a big limb falling on it, and it could boomerang you right out of the end of it. Like all safety issues, use your best judgment. If you think you need a harness, then you probably do. Put one on.
I'm gonna do great till we get to poison ivy, Rex.
What do you think about going over here next?
Working on all that.
Yes.
I think with a lift like this, I should focus a little more on the storage bucket. This is a nice little storage bucket they sent with it, but I need something to hold a chainsaw so I don't have to bend all the way down. I may not have to worry now. I'm whining. I've really enjoyed this thing.
It's not going to take much.
Wow. Keep going.
We're not quite pulling in the best direction, but the farmer's beans were in the way, so we couldn't get out there and pull where we'd really wanted to.
Now we're in a pickle.
Need to pull more this way and it'll come down. Actually, I'm gonna get back there with a saw and
Okay.
saw just a little bit.
Be careful.
What's holding it? We'll have to let's study it a little bit.
It was just going to go, but
I think it must be this bottom piece.
Yeah.
Well, it's that limb up there. It's holding it. I wish we could pull different angles. What I wish. Can you let off of it with your tractor now?
there's not much on it. How about I back off of it and give it a pull?
Yep. There it went.
Let's see if we can get up in there, Tim, and cut this limb off. And then at the same time, we'll
Cable it or?
cable it, yes. Can we go higher or not?
No, I think I'm all the way up. Yeah. Let's put the strap on while we're here. Is this okay for the strap?
Yep.
Strap is going to have poison all over it, Rex.
So I don't get but a bump or two. If I go take a bath afterwards, I may not even get that.
Okay, remind me not to touch the strap. from now on out.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
it'll
right.
be fine.
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah, I get you. Yeah. Okay. Are we up as high as we go?
Yes.
Can you step as far as this to the right as you can? And then, because I hate both of us being on the left side the way we are. Don't soar all the way. Let me push a little. I don't really like this, I'll be honest. It's coming my way. I don't want to do any bigger one than that.
Nope.
Tim's getting the tractor out of the way. Rex has just hooked the strap to that big limb, and he's gonna use his tractor to try to pull it out of there. Rex is pulling on the limb. There it comes. No, don't get stuck. Okay. That was good. Just as planned.
That one was the one that kept me awake at night.
I think I'd like to cut all the way up here.
Yep. And like you did the last time, after you get to where you think it's going to go, I'll
Let you pull it.
Yep.
Anytime we've used a product like this for a long time, we begin to push it to its limits, right? We begin to see what it can do more or less than what the manufacturer says. Well, that's kind of what I'm learning here with this product. A minute ago, we had it tipped a little bit sideways because of just where we had to be. That didn't go so good. It wasn't comfortable. What I have found is that we can have it tipped back a little bit. It doesn't feel that uncomfortable because we've got the whole weight of the tractor holding it. Tipped sideways is not so good, but we can, you know, the manufacturer says hold it straight up. I'm saying we're able to tip it backwards just a little bit and still get away with it. You should use your own judgment. Don't use my recommendation as a reason to kill yourself.
All we're doing is hooking the strap.
Yeah, but I wasn't sure I could reach it unless we leaned back a little bit.
Okay.
See what I mean?
Yep, yep, yep.
Now we've got all four on the ground. Notice the lift is a little different pitch than the tractor. That's just one thing we have to be able to do. And we have a little bit of flexibility, I suppose, in the 3-point hitch that allows that to happen. But we're going to be leaning it backwards, I believe, a little bit. We may not. Hopefully we can reach when we get up there. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's going to be close.
Tell you what, you got a hoe or something I could grab it with? Something with a handle? I think I could have been leaning back a little bit more.
Can you see it?
I can see it. Perfect, Rex. Are you just hooking it or are you looping it back?
No, just right like that.
I think it's coming.
Well, Rex, I don't know about you, but I've had enough tree falling for this morning.
Yep. I appreciate it.
Only 84. That's in the shade.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing it's not hot.
Yep.
Thanks, Rex, for giving us a project.
Yep.
We had to get this done before the lift took off.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
The axe is already at the root of the trees, and every tree that does not produce good fruit will be cut down and thrown into the fire.
Good job, Rex.
Yeah, you remember.
Oh, pro.
I'll saw it up when it's cooler. That'd
Go
have
ahead and get that saw
been a
right
tough one to do by myself.
there. It would have been. It was tough for two of us.
Yeah.